Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is unit 5 sets. You have already learned about the definition of the sets, their properties. Now today topic is Venn diagram. British mathematician John Venn in 1834 to 1923 introduced a rectangular for a universal set U, and its subsets A and B are closed figure inside this rectangle. So universal set, the whole universal set is denoted by this U, and we will take here A and B are the closed figure inside as the subsets of the universal set. For the Venn diagram, so let's have a look. We have three types of Venn diagrams. One is when union and intersection of a set, when A and B are overlapping sets. Overlapping sets means that these sets overlap each other. That's why the half part of the set B lies on set A. So these are called the overlapping set. Second type is when A is a subset of B. Look at this, A is inside this B, so it means that this A is a subset of B. And the third is disjoint sets. So union and intersection of a sets when your A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets are like this. This is set A and this is set B. Why these are disjoints? Because there is no common elements in A and B. So for starting your question, you have to look at the set which is given in your question. Okay, if there are common elements in A and B, so we use this overlapping type. If A is a subset of B, then we use this diagram. If there is no common elements in A and B, so we will use this disjoint sets. So these three types you have to first sure that in your question what type of set is this. Maybe it is overlapping, maybe subset, or maybe disjoint. So let's have some diagrams. So look on the diagram, then we will start the question. A intersection B. Look, if A is a subset of B, its common elements are only the elements of A. So we shade this A. So this is a diagram. The answer is lined region. So lined region is the answer of A intersection B. So instead of tabular form, you can easily find your answer from the Venn diagram when you look at it. So A intersection B, only A is common in between them. Now let's have a look on this. Difference of a set. Difference of a set means that those members, this difference of a set means that A members of A which are not present in B. So we only shade the element of A. And look, this is a common part. So only this elements 1, 2 are not present in this set B. Now some more look on this. A union B complement. A union B complement means that first you will find A union B, then find its complement like the tabular form. So what is A union B? A union B is this part. When you take A union B, so let's use dots on it. So this is a part of A union B. So A and B are the union. So I am showing this by dot. So complement means that those part of U which are not present in A union B. So leave all the portion of A and B, and this lined region shows a complement. So your answer is the lined region. Why it is a lined region? Because this part of U is not present in A union B, and this dotted is A union B. So how to write your answer? A union B is a dotted region, and A union B complement means a lined region. So here is, look at this. This is now A intersection B. In A intersection B, we will shade only the common part. So this is the answer of A intersection B. So in A intersection B, we only shade the common element. Now the A union B. A union B means take all the members of A, take all the members of B, and also take the common elements in it. So for the A union B, we shade all of them. So now the A complement, for the A complement means कि U minus A. So those members of U which are not present in A. So we shade all this like outer side, half part of the set B, and it's the rectangle. So those members of U which are not present in A. So the A is without any shade and all shaded part of U, because B is also a subset of U. So B is a part of U. So we shade this half portion of B also. So this is an answer of A complement. Now look at A intersection B complement. So first you will find B complement. B complement means that those members of U which are not present in B. Those members of U which are not present in B, like this is a part which is not present in B. And then what you take common is only this A part here. So this shaded and dotted region is A intersection B complement answer. So let's have a question. Now you have a very simple idea कि how to shade now. Now this is now question. U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, and A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and B is equal to 2, 3, 5, and 8. First we will see the set, whether it is a overlapping, whether it is a disjoint, or whether it is A is a subset of B. Now look, 1 and 3, what are the common elements? 3 is common. Look at this. 3 is common. And 5 is also common in it. So it means that this is a overlapping set. So what type of set is this? This is a overlapping set. So we use the overlapping diagram because these are not, A is not a subset or they are not disjoint. So for A and B, this is now A or this is now B. Now this is A and this is B, and here is A and here is B. You can use the compass also for the neat diagrams. So A minus B. First I will find A minus B. A minus B means those members of A which are not present in B. So I am using this line to show my answer. So for the prominent, I can use the black also. You can see it easily. So A minus B means those portion of A which is not present in B. Look, this part is present in B. So what is my answer? My answer is lined region. Now for the left and right hand side, what is this? A intersection B complement. So first I will find B complement, then I will find A intersection B complement. B complement means that those members of U which is not present in B. Look at this. This is those members of U which is not present in B. So these is the answer. So the lined region. Lined region means that this is the answer, that those members of U which are not present in B. So now I am taking A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement, from the whole complement, what is common elements? This A, this is a common portion on it. So this is a common portion because A is common here. So what is our answer? Our answer is dotted and lined region. So our answer is dotted and lined region. Now, how will you say that A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement? Because your designing is different. So, do not look at the designs. You look at the portion. You have to compare only the portion. Now, see, what is A minus B? Only this is the portion. And dotted and lined region, this is the portion. Look, A, this half of A and half of A. This is the same answer. Here, this is a lined region and here is dotted and lined region. So, it means that they are same. So, we say that A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. So, hence, verified. So, this is now verified. So, now we have one more complicated question, that A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So, now you have to give more attention for it because little bit complicated. Now, again we have the same set. So, it's overlapping A and B. Let's draw it here. This is A and this is B. Now you see how I am doing. First I will find A intersection B, then I will find A intersection B complement. And here first I will find A complement, then I will find B complement, then I will find their union. So this is the step which we have to follow. Now A intersection B. What is A intersection B now? So let's use, I am using the color marker so you can easily see. A intersection B is this portion. What is this now? Lined region. Now complement. A intersection B complement means those members of U which is not present in this. You know, this is your rectangle U. So, which portion of U is not including in A intersection B? So, let's put a dot on it. I'm showing it by dots. This is now. And A is also a part of U and B is also a part of U. So, this dotted region is a complement of A intersection B which is not present in this answer A intersection B. What is our answer now? Dotted region. So let's find A complement. What is A complement? Those members of U which is not present in A. So look at this. This is the portion which is not present in A, and B is also a part of U. So that's why it is half of it shaded. So A complement means lined region because I'm using line. So lined region. Now the B complement. Those members of U which are not present in B. So what is not present in B? This part of A and this outer part of U. I am putting a dot on it. So see now, this is now B complement. And how to write your answer? This answer is including this dotted region. First you write dotted region, and what is this? Dotted and lined region. Dotted region, so let's use comma, dotted and lined region. So now let's take its union. For the union, A complement, union, B complement. So when I take a union, so union means I am taking this part, I am taking this part and outer part. So how to write my answer? This is the dotted region and this lined region. And what is this? Dotted and lined. Dotted and lined. Now again you have to compare the portion for your right answer. What is your right answer here? You just leave this space and this all dots is your answer. And here look, you just leave this space and this whole is your answer. This dotted this line, dotted and line. So when you compare the portion, both portion is the same. So what we say that A intersection, therefore A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement, hence verified. So hence verified. So now with the help of this example, so you can easily solve the rest of the part of the exercise. Thank you so much.